Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to the Wow Info YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for the most fascinating, mind-boggling facts and mysteries about our incredible natural world. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey to unravel one of nature's most intriguing puzzles. We're talking about a creature that's a head above the rest. Quite literally, a creature that has baffled scientists and nature enthusiasts alike with its peculiar physique. Can you guess who we're talking about? That's right, the majestic giraffe. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we delve into the long-necked riddle of these towering creatures. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why giraffes have such long necks? Today we're going to delve into the long-necked riddle of these towering creatures. A giraffe's neck, a truly extraordinary feature, stands out in the animal kingdom. It's not just for show. It plays a vital role in their survival. In fact, these necks are so long that they can measure up to 6 feet in length. That's right, a whopping 6 feet. That's taller than the average human. This lengthy neck accounts for nearly half of the giraffe's total height, which can reach up to 18 feet. This unique body structure is not only stunning to behold, but also serves specific functions that are key to the giraffe's way of life. It's a marvel of nature, a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. Now, isn't that intriguing? But why do they have such long necks? Let's dive in and find out. One widely accepted theory is that giraffes evolved long necks due to a phenomenon known as natural selection. Now, you might wonder, what exactly is natural selection? Well, it's an ingenious process that Mother Nature has been using for eons to ensure the survival of species on this planet. Imagine nature as an artist, tirelessly working on her grand canvas of life. In this masterpiece, every stroke, every color, every shape represents a different characteristic of a species. Some of these traits are beneficial, while others might be not so much. Natural selection is the process through which nature, our artist, decides which traits are worthy of being passed on to the next generation. So, how does this relate to our long-necked friends, the giraffes? Picture the savannas of Africa a few million years ago. Giraffes, like all creatures, needed food to survive. Now, the lower branches of the trees were often stripped bare by other herbivores. But the higher branches, they were a veritable feast of untouched leaves. Enter our giraffes, or rather, their ancestors. Some of these proto-giraffes had slightly longer necks than others. These fortunate few could reach the higher branches, giving them access to an abundant and uncontested food source. As a result, they were more likely to survive times of scarcity, live longer, and have more offspring. These offspring in turn inherited the trait of having a longer neck. Over countless generations, the necks of these giraffes became longer and longer as nature continued to favor those who could reach the loftiest leaves. And it wasn't just about food. A longer neck also meant being able to spot predators from afar, another crucial advantage in the harsh and unforgiving wilderness. So, in essence, giraffes might have evolved long necks because it gave them an edge in survival. This is one example of how the fascinating process of natural selection shapes the world around us, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Another theory suggests that the long necks are a result of competitive advantage in food acquisition. Now let's dive deeper into this theory. Imagine a world where food is scarce and survival is the name of the game. In such a world, every small advantage could mean the difference between thriving and perishing. This is the world of the wild African savannah, and it's here that the giraffe's long neck could have given it a crucial edge. The African savannah is home to a wide variety of herbivores, all vying for the same resources. But the giraffe, with its long neck, is able to reach food sources that are simply inaccessible to other animals. The leaves of tall trees, untouched by shorter herbivores, provide a bountiful feast for the giraffe, allowing it to survive and thrive even in times of scarcity. Over time, natural selection would favor giraffes with longer necks. Those with the ability to reach higher food sources would have a better chance of survival, and they would pass on this trait to their offspring. As generations passed, the giraffes' necks would become longer and longer, an evolutionary adaptation to their unique environment. But this theory is not without its controversies. Some scientists argue that the energy required to pump blood up the giraffe's long neck to its brain would outweigh the benefits of reaching higher food sources. They suggest that other factors, such as the ability to spot predators from afar, could have also played a role in the evolution of the giraffe's long neck. Despite these debates, the food competition theory presents a compelling argument for the evolution of the giraffe's unique physique. It's a testament to the power of adaptation and survival, showing us how nature can shape and mold a species to fit its surroundings in the most extraordinary ways. This theory suggests that the tall trees of the African savannah shaped the giraffe's long neck, and perhaps it's these very trees that hold the key to understanding the long-necked riddle of the giraffe. A less known but interesting theory is that the giraffe's long neck is a result of sexual selection. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just about reaching those lofty leaves on the acacia tree, but also about impressing the ladies. Male giraffes are known to engage in a unique form of combat known as necking. Now, this isn't your typical wildlife brawl. No sir, it involves two male giraffes standing side by side, swinging their necks and attempting to land powerful blows with their heads. Think of it as a heavyweight boxing match, but with necks. This peculiar form of combat can be quite intense and even dangerous, with some battles resulting in knockout blows. The male with the longer, stronger neck is usually the victor, demonstrating his dominance and fitness to the observing females. You see, in the world of giraffes, size does matter. The females tend to prefer males with longer and stronger necks, as these traits are associated with good genes, strength, and the ability to protect. This preference could have driven the evolution of the long neck trait in giraffes, with males inheriting the long necks of their successful fathers and passing them on to their own offspring. So, it could be that the giraffe's long neck is a result of giraffe romance, a tale of love and war, etched in the towering silhouette of these magnificent creatures. So, what's the true reason behind the long neck of a giraffe? We've explored a few theories today, each with its own interesting perspective. We started with the evolutionary theory, which suggests that, over time, giraffes evolved to have long necks to reach food sources higher up in trees, giving them a survival advantage. However, this theory was challenged by the food competition theory. This theory suggests that rather than reaching for the higher branches, giraffes actually developed long necks to feed at different heights and thus reduce competition for food. Then, we touched on the attraction theory. This proposes that female giraffes prefer males with longer necks, leading to a genetic preference for long necks being passed down through generations. So which one is it? Evolution, food competition, attraction, or could it be a combination of all three? The truth is, scientists are still researching to fully understand why giraffes have such long necks. It's a complex question, and the answer could very well be a blend of these theories. In the end, it's a reminder of how diverse and captivating nature can be. Each species, each creature, has its own unique traits and adaptations, shaped by countless generations and the relentless march of evolution. While we may not know the exact answer, it's fascinating to ponder about the mysteries of nature, isn't it? Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of giraffes and their long necks. If you found this video informative and intriguing, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us to continue producing more content like this. We encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Maybe it will spark a lively debate about which theory they believe the most. Also, we would love to hear your thoughts. Do you have a favorite theory on why giraffes have long necks? Maybe you have a completely different theory? Please leave your comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Wow Info YouTube channel for more fascinating videos exploring the wonders of nature. Remember, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, so stay curious. Thank you for watching.